This is 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 8 unit.
Newton. Meter per
Meter per
Newton.
Newton. Kasi cancel, meter, Newton ang mabilis. DST. Careful careful. Sayang lang kayo pumabagsak sa inyo tapos conversion lang yung ikabagsakan na yun. Sayang lang. Okay. Siya ka binabagsak sa conversion. Okay daw, ilan ni? 1.755 times 10 to negative 5. Tama ba? Where is this? 11.7 times 5. Uy, pang-answer daw mo guys, kaya parang ako matagdali. 1.755 times 10 to the power of negative 6 meter per change of temperature, Okay? Tama ni? Sure. Hanggang kasi napuntahan. Tama ni? Igawas siya ako ni? Okay. Kani, ilan ni? Wait lang. Asa? Negative 5 ni. Okay, very good. Okay. Ito, ilan ni?
Vlogger. Bitaw, gapos bitaw ko.
2.5
Sa YouTube.
times 10 to the power of negative 8 unit. Meter per Newton P bronze. Ano yung ilan ni? 5.67 times 10 to the power of negative 5 meter per change of temperature, Okay. Ang ganda natin nila, distribute natin ang 4. So this one, 2.5 times 10 negative 8 is 4. This becomes 1 times 10 to the power of negative 7 meters squared into PSP. Plus 1.755 times 10 negative 5 meters squared degrees temperature. Times 4 1.755 times 4 is from 7.05. 7.02. Tama? Tama? This one becomes 2.58 times 10 negative 8 meter squared Newton P. And then last one, 5.67 times 10 negative 5 meter per degree Celsius change of temperature. Okay? Goods na tayo. Kasi next one. Rearrange natin siya no? This becomes 1, rearrange. Rearrange. 1 times 10 negative 7 squared Newton PSP minus 2.58 times 10 negative 8 meters squared Newton. Of course, PR is equals to that.